Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com. And in this chapter of the Product Launch Mastery program, we will have a look at the case study. And this case study is going to be about the 100-day blogging course launch. As I have mentioned in the previous chapters, this was the first launch that I did with a proper product launch system, and my revenue became 5 times of what it already was. So let's have a look at what we have in the 100-day blogging course launch. So this particular product, you may be already a student of it, is a product where there are 100 days of videos about blogging, which teaches people how to start blogs and how to grow their blogs. And in the meantime, they also end up learning digital marketing through it. So first we had created a proper sales page for 100-day blogging course, and you can see the sales page here. So this is a sales page. This sales page is hosted on Unbounce, and here is where we write the sales copy. So you can see the sales copy is pretty long. So you can go ahead and have a look at learnblogging.com/enroll. So the sales copy first convinces people to go ahead and buy the product, and then it shows testimonials, and then there are some video testimonials as well. There is a poll from my Learn Digital Marketing group about this particular product as well, which I have put a screenshot here, and I have mentioned that there is a 100% money back guarantee for this course. So creating this sales page and driving traffic to this sales page is not going to be enough to get the maximum amount of sales, because people do not just convert with one pitch. So what we have done is that we have also created an email sequence. So here you can see this is the 4-part email sequence that we created when we did the launch for the first time. Now when we do product launches, we have like a longer email sequence with sometimes 6 or 7 emails as well. But these 4 emails were more than enough for the first launch of the 100-day blogging course, and we were able to 5x our revenue because we followed this launch sequence. So the first email that I sent to my entire list was with the subject line which says the proven way to become a digital marketing expert. So here I have the actual emails opened. So here you can see this is the first email that we sent, and the first email does not even talk about the existence of the 100-day blogging course in a very upfront manner. So here it talks about what is the proven way to become a digital marketing expert, and it talks about how one can become a digital marketing expert by actually doing digital marketing and going ahead and starting a blog. And towards the end of this email, I have also shared the 100-day blogging course sales page link. So this particular line which says check out the 100-day blogging course is usually linked from the email marketing tool directly to the sales page. So people who are actually interested in learning digital marketing would read through the entire email, and it is very important to observe that this kind of emails is not spamming. So these kind of emails are value emails which actually give out some information for the people who are reading the email, and then if they are further interested, we are going ahead and redirecting them to the sales page where people can read the sales page, and if they think that the product is for them, they can click on the payment link, and once it goes to the payment page, they can purchase the product and go ahead and subscribe for the product. So that's the first email that I sent on the first day, and after 2 days we sent the second email which was what is stopping you. So here we kind of become a little bit more aggressive with the sales pitch. So we tell people that you want to blog and you know the power of blogging, but what is stopping you and what are the stumbling blocks? Whatever stumbling blocks they have, most of the stumbling blocks has to do with not having enough information about how to get started with blogging. And then we mentioned that 100-day blogging course is the course that we created for bloggers to go ahead and start blogging, and then we link to the sales page. The third email is why is blogging so important. So we reinforce the importance of blogging and why they should be going ahead and learning blogging and learning digital marketing through blogging. So I will also share the PDF links to all these sales emails that we wrote below this video so that you can have a look on how the entire sales copy and the sales sequence is carried out. And once we have done all this, we also need to apply some time pressure. So here you can see we mentioned final call or closing tonight subject line, which says that the 100-day blogging course will be closed tonight, and it won't be available anymore. So that's what we did with the last email, where there is a little bit of time pressure and scarcity, that if people don't go ahead and sign up directly, then they are going to miss out on the discount and miss out on the offer, and we will actually go ahead and close the 100-day blogging course for enrollment, so that they will not be able to enroll again. So that is how these 4-part email sequence works, and you can go ahead and have a look at all these 4 emails to see how the copy has been written and how we have taken the launch sequence. And the good part about is that this set of sales pages and email sequence worked very well, that since the launch of the 100-day blogging course, we have made more than 70 lakh in revenue selling the 100-day blogging course. So here you can see there are 3,424 customers who have enrolled for this course so far, and we have made 70 lakh 22,000 in revenue. And this is the power of doing a proper product launch, where the sales always shoot up if you go ahead and do a proper product launch instead of just introducing the product to your customers. So this is just one of the case studies. If you want to look at other case studies, we have plenty of products which we have done product launches for. Like for example, if you have a look at social media mastery course, we have launched that course only once, and we have made 12,57,000 in revenue with the social media mastery course. And then we have sold the digital marketing mastery bundle, which also goes through a launch sequence. The 100-day blogging course has gone through 5 launch sequences so far, because that is our best selling product, and that's how it works here, and that's how we do product launches. And I'm pretty sure that if you take this product launch system and apply it for your own business, you will be able to make a lot of sales. So if you have any questions about this particular case study, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will be answering any relevant questions. And I will also be taking these questions to help me get ideas for the future videos that I will be creating for this particular course. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.